Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to use ChatGPT AI to download a telnet file and also run it. So we need to go to ChatGPT and type. Let's go to ChatGPT and type Python script to download exe file and execute. It is going to generate a Python code for us. Python code to download the file. So we're just gonna copy the code and save in a file with PY extension. And here is the URL we need to replace with our file, the link to our file. So I'm just gonna use PuTTY, which is a telnet client, and I'm going to use its 64-bit version. So I'm just gonna copy the link over here. You can search on Google for PuTTY, and we are just going to paste that link and replace the one before. We're just gonna save it to make sure. And we need to know the path of the directory where we save the code. So it's under my documents folder. So we can do cd to move into that directory on our command prompt. So inside our documents folder, we can type Python and the name of our Python script. This code also requires you to install requests library for Python. If you don't have already on your system, you can do pip install requests. So I have already installed on my system, so I don't need to do this. So I'm just gonna skip this step. And now we have that code. We are just gonna type Python and the name of our Python script, download.py, and hit enter. So it downloaded the file and it's also started our telnet client. So this way you can use AI tool to automate the process, downloading a file and also executing on the system to make it run. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you.